Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at this tablet from Doogee. It's the T20 with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Now before continuing with the tablet, inside of the package I got a stylus, I got a glass screen protector, and the most important thing when you buy a tablet, it's the wireless keyboard case set. Now let's unbox the tablet first, and later we're gonna see the accessories. As we can read here in the corner of the package, we have a 10.4-inch 2K display. Okay, from what I can see, the tablet has already one case. Okay, this feels... Okay, this is surprising actually, because the tablet comes with a case pre-installed and a screen protector pre-installed. Okay, this is very nice touch from Doogee. The tablet is aluminium on the back. Let's see what's inside of the box. We have the user start guide. We have a power brick with the Type-C charging port. We have the SIM ejection tool here. We have the charging cable, which is Type-C on both sides. And we also have a stylus. Oh my god. I think this is a stylus. Yeah, and we also have a stylus. I think I just broke it, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. Now, let's see. The tablet has the selfie camera here. The power button and the volume buttons are on the right side of the tablet. Let's power on. Here we have two speakers, the Type-C port and the SIM ejection tool. We have another set of speakers here, so 4 speakers. And we have the pins here for the case and the keyboard. Okay, let me skip this menu real quick. Oh, it popped out. The stylus pen, it also has a user manual. This is the wireless keyboard case set. Let's check this out. Now this is the instructions on how to set up the wireless keyboard case. This is the keyboard case itself. Okay. This is very nice, and I didn't think that it would be this nice. Okay. Doogee is surprising me because Doogee is a budget company, and the amount of stuff that you get on a full package like this, it's insane. Okay, so as you can see, the tablet has booted. Let's take a quick look. These are the toggles. While the tablet was going through the welcome menu, in the background it was downloading an update. Okay, so let's check the Android version. Straight out of the box we have Android 12 and 8 GB of RAM. It's worth mentioning that this tablet goes up to 15 GB of RAM, for the fact that 7 GB of RAM are virtual RAM thanks to the Android 12. Okay, so we need to align the pins here with the pins on the keyboard case, which are located here. Oh, it typed. Okay, so now that I've connected the tablet with the case, you can see the pointer of the mouse here. It basically becomes like a laptop. This is how the tablet will look with the case on. Cameras here. I would recommend you don't remove the plastic cover here, or if you remove the plastic cover, be sure to put the glass screen protector. This is a big display, and if you drop it, you will break it. We can also use the case as a kickstand. It has a magnetic kickstand here, and we can do it like this. Okay, let me remove the tablet from the case for a second. Okay, so now I've opened YouTube. Let's see one of my videos, check the viewing angles and test the speakers of the tablet. I don't know if you guys can see, but the tablet comes pre-installed with a screen protector. It's not a glass screen protector, it's a film screen protector, but still it's a screen protector and it will protect it from scratches. The video resolution on this tablet goes up to 1080p, and the viewing angles are nice if you hold the tablet in front of you. If you hold the tablet in a certain angle, you will lose a bit of brightness, but you can still see it. But if you hold the tablet in front of you, it's good. The tablet has two cameras here on the back, and it has a camera here on the front. Cameras are decent, not the best in the world, but they will get the job done. Now let's go to settings and take a look here. Tablet has 256 gigabytes of storage, which I believe are more than enough for this price and for the reason that you will get this tablet for. You can install a lot of games and a lot of apps on this tablet. 256 gigabytes, it's good. Okay, so now let's try to play some games with the tablet. I have Asphalt 9 here. The speakers of this tablet are very loud and very good. Let me try another game with the Mitsubishi. second. Gameplay Asphalt 9. Okay, hold up. Now, gameplay on the Asphalt 9, very good. Let's open Subway Surfers. It was opened on the background in the meanwhile. This is a small game and the tablet will handle Subway Surfers very good, or any other game like this one, which is a small game. As you can see, no problems playing Subway Surfers. We didn't have a problem with Asphalt 9. Performance is very good. Now let me check the stylus. We turn it on here. I have no idea how this app works, but let me figure it out. And as you saw, Stylus works. Not the best in the world, but it will get the job done. Now overall, this tablet justifies its price. It will cost you less than $300 and in that price point, this is a very good tablet. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.